Welcome to this 10-minute guided loving kindness meditation. Find a comfortable seated position, either on a chair or on the floor with a cushion. Allow your spine to be straight but relaxed, and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allowing yourself to settle into this moment. Let's begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. There's no need to change anything. Just observe the flow of your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. With each breath, allow yourself to become more present, more grounded. Now, bring to mind an image of yourself. See yourself clearly, as if you were looking into a mirror. Visualize yourself sitting or standing in front of you. Imagine surrounding yourself with a warm golden light. A light that represents love and kindness. This light is gentle, soothing, and all-encompassing. Silently repeat these phrases to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Take a moment with each phrase, truly feeling the intention behind the words. Imagine this golden light growing stronger, enveloping you completely. Allow any feelings of love and compassion to arise naturally. It's okay if it feels a bit awkward or forced at first. Just continue with the practice. Now, shift your focus to someone you care about deeply. Picture them in your mind's eye and surround them with the same golden light. Silently repeat the phrases for them. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease. Take your time with this. really sending your heartfelt wishes to this person. Feel the connection and the warmth of the light expanding between you. Next, bring to mind someone you know but may not have strong feelings for. Perhaps a neighbor or a colleague. Visualize this person and surround them with the golden light. Silently repeat the phrases, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." Notice how it feels to extend these wishes to someone more neutral. Observe any shifts in your emotions or thoughts. Now, think of someone with whom you have a difficult relationship. This might be challenging, but try to approach it with an open heart. Visualize this person and surround them with the same golden light. Silently repeat the phrases, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." If you find resistance or negative emotions arising, acknowledge them without judgment. Allow the golden light to soften and transform these feelings, even if just a little bit. Finally, let's extend this loving kindness to all beings. Imagine the golden light expanding beyond you, touching everyone in your community, your country, and the world. Silently repeat the phrases, "May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings live with ease." Sit for a moment in this expansive feeling of connectedness and compassion. Allow yourself to bask in the warmth and love you've cultivated. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen once more. slowly open your eyes and take a moment to observe how you feel. Remember, the loving kindness you've generated here is always within you, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. I invite you to take a moment to share your experience in the comments below. How did this meditation make you feel? Did you notice any shifts in your emotions or thoughts? By sharing your experiences, you help create a community of support and encouragement for others. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to meditating with you again soon.